Here we have a long question, question number 19. So straight away, let's start doing it on the next page, and I need some space also to do it. There is a downstream journey on a river from Aquarium Island to River Palace. So let's say this is Aquarium Island, this is River Palace, and it's a downstream journey. The river flows at a speed of 5 km per hour. So 5 km per hour is the flow of the river. There is a boat service for both ways. The distance between Aquarium Island and River Palace is 700 kilometers. This total distance is 700 kilometers. Boat A, which starts from Aquarium Island, has a still water speed of 30 km per hour. So from here, boat A can move at a speed of 30 km per hour in still water. While boat B, which starts from River Palace at the same time, has a still water speed of 20 km per hour. So boat B starts from here at a speed of 20 km per hour. Where and how much time will the two boats take to meet for the second time? Okay. And they keep on moving without stopping. See, the first time they would between somewhere between Aquarium Island and River Palace. After that, Aquarium Island boat will go to River Palace. River Palace boat will go to Aquarium Island, and it will come back from there, and then they'll meet for the second time. So let's first find out the time taken by boat B to reach Aquarium Palace, boat A to reach the River Palace. What is the time taken by boat A to reach the River Palace? That time is 700 divided by 30 plus 5, because the relative speed would become, sorry, downstream speed would become 30 plus 5. It would reach there in 20 hours. Boat B would reach the Aquarium Island in what time? It would reach Aquarium Island in 700 divided by 20 minus 5, because it is running upstream. So if I divide by 15, it is 700 by 15, or I can also say 140 divided by 3 hours. So it is taking a long time, 140 by 3 hours, right? So when boat B reaches here in 140 by 3 hours and boat A reaches there in 20 hours, so that remaining time of 140 by 3 minus 20, that means for those 80 by 3 hours, what would the boat A would have done? Boat A reached here in 20 hours. It has still 80 by 3 hours more, so it will come back from this point. In those 80 by 3 hours, how much would it cover? 80 by 3 hours, it will cover 80 by 3 into 30 minus 5, because while coming back, it would also be coming upstream now. So 30 minus 5, 25. This gives me 25 into 80 by 3, 2000 divided by 3 kilometers. So this boat would have covered another 2000 by 3 kilometer by that time. Another 2000 by 3 kilometers by that time. So the situation after 140 by 3 hours is that boat A starts from here, boat B starts from here, and the distance between them is 700 minus 2000 divided by 3, which is equal to 100 divided by 3. There is just 100 by 3 kilometers distance more between them. Now boat A is coming at a speed of 20 plus 5, because it is coming downstream now. Boat B is going at a speed of 30 minus 5, because it is going upstream now. So they have the same speed. If they have the same speed, of course, they are going to take the same time and same distance to meet now. So that means out of this 100 by 3, boat A would have covered 50 by 3, boat B would have covered 50 by 3. And to cover this 50 by 3, they would have taken another 50 by 3 divided by 25, another 2 by 3 hours. So where are they going to meet? They are going to meet 50 by 3 kilometers from Aquarium Island. And in what time? 140 by 3 hours plus 2 by 3 hours. That is 142 by 3 hours. 142 by 3 hours means if I divide by 3, it gives me 3 4s are 12. Then 3 7s are 21 plus 1 by 3 hours more. So 47 hours, 1 by 3 hours means 20 minutes. So my answer is 47 hours and 20 minutes and 50 by 3 kilometers from Aquarium Island. That gives me the answer as option B. But oh God, fairly difficult question, fairly lengthy question. I would put it in the category of a difficult question for this particular set. If you have any problem, you can watch it again. It's a recorded video, of course. That is the best part of it. You can watch it again and again. But yes, I think this is the best way of solving this particular question.